What if I tell you that you can create stunning, production-ready websites without AI, without writing a single line of code within just a few minutes? आप विश्वास नहीं करोगे, right? Well, let me share you that this tool called as Framer helped me to make thousands of rupees while I am still in college. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Meet, and in this video we are going to see that how this no-code tool called as Framer can help us get started making money as a student. In this video, I would be sharing my complete journey of discovering the tool, then learning it, and then how I turned this complete experience of mine to make money while in college. And by the end of the video, you would get to know how to get started with Framer and why it is a game changer for building websites very fast. I always wanted to make a good user interface for the projects that I build. And who doesn't want this? But sitting and writing code for the front end looked like a very much hustle to me. So I was searching for the solutions that could help me to build the user interface for the products that I built. And I stumbled upon Framer. So Framer is a no-code tool that can help you to design websites visually without even writing a single line of code. And while there are a couple of options like Framer, Webflow and others, Framer always suited best for me because of its drag and drop interface. You can simply drag components directly into your website, and also they offer you a lot of templates to choose from. You just have to pick out a template and select and edit the template, and you are done. The website is all yours. And also now with AI, you can use AI powered tools like ChatGPT and others to make custom components on Framer, and you can use these components directly on your websites. So I quickly found interest in Framer and I wanted to learn this tool. So I went to YouTube, saw a few videos that are related to this. So after watching a couple of videos, I decided to put my skills to test. In my college, there was an upcoming hackathon, which was a UI UX hackathon. I participated in that, and I, along with my teammate, worked very hard to build a great product. I pitched it to the judges, and boom, we emerged as the first runner-up for this competition. And from this experience, I got the confidence that yes, the thing that I was building was actually valuable, and now I can charge money for it and sell it to others. So winning this hackathon brought me some unexpected opportunities. A company reached out to me saying that they need to redesign their website, and if I could do that for them, they would be happy to pay me some money. And I said, deal done. Basically, in this project, I had to use no-code tools like Framer or Webflow and redesign a complete website. They needed this very urgently. So I worked very hard on it, and within a week, I was able to deliver this to them. And this only became possible because I learned this tool called as Framer. Without getting to learn this, it would not have been possible for me to develop such website. And yeah, the project got completed within a week and I handed over to them. They were happy, I was happy, and also made some money with it. After a few weeks, they came back to me asking for some revisions. I conveyed them that if they want some revisions, they had to pay me extra for this. They also agreed to it, and I quickly made the changes they needed. It was done within a few days, and I handed over the changes to them and they paid me for it. The Framer's drag and drop interface helped me to create websites very fast. Plus, the knowledge of the tool helped me to deliver this project under tight deadlines. So I would also recommend you to learn such tools that could help you to grab good opportunities in the future. And one funny thing I learned out of this experience is I learned this very hard way, and that is to never undercharge for your projects. I made this mistake for the first time. I charged very less for a lot of work, and because of this I was not able to actually encash the actual value that I was delivering to the client. So yeah, that was all about my experience with Framer. And so if you want to get into this tool, start right now, right away after watching this video. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that can help you to do so. And always remember, try to start small and keep yourself leveling up. That's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching out this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with all of your friends, and subscribe for more tools like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.